Hello! In this video I compare two Canon business inkjet printers of MAXIFY GX series. I will cover the following in this video, and for the product review check my playlist of the printer reviews in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's summarize the key differences between the models, starting by showing the product boxes. These two models use different ink bottles. I put capacities on the screen. Both models are multifunctionals with one-sided automatic document feeder and auto duplex printing. The GX6000 has additional media tray for 100 plain paper at the back, and both have 250 sheets paper cassettes from the front. In the next minutes of the video I go more into details, starting with inks and capacity. But the inks are similar and they are pigment and water resistant. I do a quick print in the beginning and then take 2 glasses of water in which I put the prints until the end of the video. And then I will review the water resistance of the ink and also talk about cost per page at the very end of the video. Let me show some more details inside the printer. These models are continuous ink printers with ink tanks, which are more practical on smaller GX2000 series, which was launched later than GX6000. The GX6000 has automatic ink valve, which is manual only on GX2000. It is used when replacing the print head or transporting the printer. The GX2000 has separate black and color print heads, which need to be installed, like in the setup video on this model. The maintenance cartridge can be easily removed from the front. On GX6000 the print head is already in the printer, so only ink tanks need to be filled up. And maintenance cartridge can be replaced from the back. Summarizing differences inside the printer, next I show the user experience. The screens and user menus are similar. In the scan menu of GX6000 I also find USB memory scan and print, which is not available on GX2000. Both support cloud print and scan. The video on advanced functions on GX series you find in the upper right corner of the screen. I add Uniflow online application and rearrange in the cloud menu. This application brings additional security functionalities like secure print and scan and cost tracking to MAXIFY GX devices. The GX2000 has similar menu and settings. Both screens can be tilted a little bit, and on the GX2000 there is additional status LED indicator, and quick copy is possible by pressing the start button. That doesn't work on GX6000. GX2000 is preset with two-sided print settings to save on paper. As a newer device, the GX2000 has been upgraded with more security features. From this perspective, GX2000 is more advanced than GX6000. Security scenarios can be selected from the user menu. And both devices support automatic update with the latest firmware. And this brings me to printing. In the next couple of minutes, I test copy speed comparing both devices simultaneously. First, I do 5 copies in the economy mode, which saves additional 50% on ink. I preset the same settings on both devices. And on both, settings can be saved into the profiles. Next time I want to use the same settings, I just enter my presets and recall the settings. Scan destinations, copy settings or fax destinations can be saved to the profiles. Let's start the copy. As expected, the MAXIFY GX6000 is faster. I put official specs on the screen. Next, I copy from the automatic document feeder in color. One-sided originals will be copied and printed two-sided in standard quality. I select the same settings on both devices and start copying. The automatic document feeder is faster on GX6000 series, and economy mode is not much worse than standard mode, so it can be easily used also on business documents, and it saves a lot of ink, 50%. Let's check at the back of the devices where there are connections for USB, LAN network, Wi-Fi Direct is also supported. Mobile Print supports AirPrint for iOS or Mopria for Android. Canon Print app is recommended to be used and several settings and device information can be accessed. Find more also about remote user interface admin login in the upper right corner of the screen. Canon Print app has cloud menu from where you can print the MAXIFY from anywhere. Finally, let me bring back the paper which was in the water for a while. As this is pigment ink, it is water resistant. And these devices have a certificate for durability and archivability in the long term. For the end, I put on the screen my cost calculation for both devices, including cost of the printer, ink cost and maintenance cartridge cost during the official warranty period, which is 80,000 pages based on the information in the warranty card. And that would be all in this video. Find more about MAXIFY GX series business inkjet printers in the playlist. Feel free to subscribe as this helps me to grow the channel and create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.